Hi everyone, we're back in Derbyshire for this week's site arrival video, which features the Ashbourne Camping and Caravan Club site. And I need to say thanks once again to Rob for going out and grabbing the footage for this one. That's quite a straightforward one, this, as the site is located directly off the A517. A couple of points to note though: if you're coming from Derby on the A52, do not be tempted to follow your sat-nav and turn off at Brailsford and go cross country, as the road is quite narrow. The other recommendation is, if you're arriving from the west, do not use the A52 as the gradient is quite steep. So we're on the A517 heading west, having passed through the village of Hulland Ward. Look out for the turning on the left to Mercaston. The site is just 160 yards after that, also on the left. And here we are. The site is normally open from April until November. Offers all the usual club facilities, including grass and hard standing pitches. Thanks once again to Rob for getting the footage for us, and thank you to for watching, and we'll see you next time. Cheers.